Hello everyone, I'm delighted to introduce you to Innov, an innovative technology company based in West Africa, specialized in creating impactful artificial intelligence solutions. One of our key projects in TechSeed, an ambitious educational program designed to spark young girls' interest in STEAM fields, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and environment. At the heart of TechSeed is AI Unbox, an innovative, fully autonomous artificial intelligence device designed specifically for environments with limited or no electricity and internet connectivity. AI Unbox instantly generates its own secure local Wi-Fi network upon startup, allowing tablets and other devices to connect seamlessly. An administrator easily selects the desired AI model such as a tiny llama, Mistral, or Llama, configures technical settings such as temperature, memory, and CPU allocation, activates tailored educational modules based on students' needs, creates and manages user profiles including teachers as supervisors and individual students. Each student accesses an intuitive user-friendly interface, interacts directly with the AI via text or voice, engages with personalized learning content, and progresses independently, even in the most remote schools. With AI on Box, Enough addresses the crucial challenge of providing inclusive, accessible, and high-quality education, placing advanced technology within the reach of everyone everywhere. Thank you very much for your attention.